Hi, I'm April with WTI.
It's time to treat yourself and finally get the ultimate in showering experiences. This high-quality shower head by Veken has given my shower a very much needed new stylish upgrade. The installation was so quick and easy. I absolutely love how with just one hand I can easily switch between 3 styles of overhead rainfall. I really like the sturdy wall mount for the handheld shower attachment and the long tangle-free water hose. It is so easy. With just the turn of a switch, I can change from having an overhead shower to having a handheld shower. And the mount is adjustable as well with 5 different spraying modes. The quality and stylish look is outstanding. I have a household of 6, and with different adjustable heights and functions, we all can enjoy personalizing our spray modes to perfectly suit our mood.
And that's my point of view.